Hi, do you find your stir bar often decouples during setup? And is it difficult to find that sweet spot? Hey, don't worry, this is not your fault. This happens because plastic bottles are injection molded and have a convex bump at the bottom. So, when a stir bar with a pivot point is used, it easily slips and decouples. For glass beakers, it's the opposite. Glass beakers usually have concave or uneven bottom surfaces. When we use a stir bar with no pivot point, the uneven surface creates additional friction and results in decoupling. We heard your voice. Picking stir bars should be a no-brainer. Therefore, we've combined the two designs into one, so you can get on with more fun in the lab.